Oh god, I've just come off Loch Lomond, which is down there, and I've just come across these old stone ruins, so they're rude not to have a quick look. Bloody hell, eh? Look at all the moss on them. Ooh. Oh. How old is this? Do you know what I mean? It's gotta be. Big pieces of quartz everywhere. Look at this woodland, man. How nice is that? Oh, it'd be a good camp in here, wouldn't it? Ooh. That's how boggy there. I had to take a video of this. Look at the size of this fucking tree. It's gonna be hundreds of years old, and it's grown out the side of that rock there. These are all fucking roots at top. Oh, but it's a bloody big one. Imagine the millions of people's feet that's crossed this route here and stepped on these roots. Millions and millions of people. Yeah, man. So I've just had a can of Coke in there. Charged my phone up a little bit again. Oh my god. Every time I stop, it's just... So anyway, we've come from that way through them trees, and we've picked up the trail here again. Oh god. I am so... But everyone I bumped into and said, oh, when did you start? And to where I've got, they said, fucking hell, you're doing well. It took us fucking 4 days to get that far. Do you know what I mean? Even them group of lads then, they said, where are you going to? And, you know. So yeah, no wonder I'm walking like an absolute retard. But anyway, so he's come from the other direction. He must be going to where I started. But yeah, I'm going to walk as far as I can now until it's dark, and then pitch up. You alright?
Yeah, I think so.